Welcome back MH Car Review. Today, we are doing something absolutely extraordinary. What you are looking at right now is not from a sci-fi movie. It is not a concept sketch from some futuristic design studio. This is the 2026 Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo Superior, the most jaw-dropping, mind-bending luxury motorhome ever built, and we are going to break down every single detail for you today. From the radical exterior design, to the jaw-dropping interior, to the monster performance under that hood, and yes, we will talk about the price because trust me, this one is going to make your jaw drop. So sit back, relax, and let us get into it. Let us start outside, because the moment you lay eyes on this machine, you know it is something different. The 2026 exterior has been completely reimagined. Gone are the boxy, trailer-like proportions of traditional motorhomes. What Marchi Mobile has done here is essentially fuse the silhouette of a super yacht with the stance of a futuristic road cruiser. The full-body gloss white finish catches the light in every direction, giving it an almost liquid, flowing appearance. Every body panel curves into the next with seamless precision. There are zero sharp edges, zero compromise in the design language. Look at the front fascia. That massive panoramic windshield sweeps back dramatically, framed by integrated LED daytime running lights that stretch the full width of the nose. The headlights are ultra-thin, almost like a blade of light cutting through the dark. The grille area is minimal but functional, with active air vents that open and close depending on engine demand. On the sides, you have flush-mounted door handles that disappear into the bodywork, aerodynamic side skirts that actually reduce drag at highway speeds, and those incredible chrome multi-spoke wheels 22 inches, custom forged sitting on air ride suspension that keeps the entire rig floating like it's gliding on air. Up top, there is a full upper deck with glass railings, a retractable sun canopy, and an observation lounge that can be accessed from inside. This thing has a rooftop terrace. On a motorhome. Let that sink in. Now let us step inside, because if the exterior is the movie poster, the interior is the feature film. Marchi Mobile has thrown out every single rule about what a motorhome cabin should look like and replaced it with something that rivals a 5-star penthouse suite. The moment those pneumatic doors open and you step inside, the first thing that hits you is space. This is not cramped. This is a full open-plan living environment with 9-foot ceilings and over 400 square feet of interior floor space. The living area features hand-stitched Italian leather seating, a bespoke sofa system that can reconfigure into multiple positions, and a wall-mounted 85-inch OLED television. The floor is Italian marble, actual marble heated from below. Every surface you touch, from the countertops to the cabinet doors, is finished in materials you would only find in luxury real estate. The kitchen is fully equipped with a professional induction cooktop, integrated refrigerator freezer, espresso machine, and custom cabinetry with soft close mechanisms throughout. Moving to the bedroom, it is a full king-size suite with blackout curtains, mood lighting that adjusts via a touchscreen panel by the bed, climate control that operates independently from the rest of the cabin, and storage solutions that would make a luxury hotel suite jealous. The ensuite bathroom is where things get truly surreal. Rain shower, vessel sink, heated flooring, and LED mirror all in a space that is genuinely spa-like. There is also a dedicated guest area and a custom wet bar for entertaining. Oh, and the whole cabin. It is temperature controlled, sound insulated to near silence at highway speeds, and equipped with a satellite entertainment system that keeps everything connected no matter where you are in the world. Now let us talk about what makes this beast move, because underneath all that luxury is some serious machinery. The 2026 EleMMent Palazzo Superior is built on a custom Volvo FM chassis fitted with a turbocharged 12.8-liter inline-six diesel engine producing 540 horsepower and a massive 2,650 Nm of torque. That is enough twist to pull a building off its foundation. Power goes through a 12-speed Volvo I-Shift automated manual transmission that shifts with the smoothness of a luxury sedan. Despite weighing in at nearly 26 tons, this motorhome manages a top speed of around 100 km per hour and pulls itself up gradients that would leave most trucks gasping. The air suspension system is central to the driving experience. It auto-levels the entire vehicle at any incline, crouches down at highway speeds for better aerodynamics, and raises itself to clear obstacles. Full disc brakes on all axles, ABS, stability control, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system make this thing not just powerful, but genuinely safe to pilot. It also carries its own independent power generator that can run the entire cabin off-grid for extended periods. So what does all of this cost? Here is where we need to have an honest conversation. The 2026 Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo Superior starts at approximately $3 million. Yes, $3 million. And that is the base configuration. A fully customized build, which is how most clients take delivery, can push the total investment anywhere from $4 to $5 million. To put that in perspective, that is more than most Lamborghinis, more than most private aircraft, and on par with a small yacht. But here is the thing: for the clientele this machine is designed for, that number is not a barrier. It is a statement. This is for the person who has already done the private jet, already done the yacht, and wants something that brings together the freedom of the open road with the comfort of a floating palace. And that really is the best way to describe the 2026 EleMMent Palazzo Superior. It is not just a motorhome. It is a lifestyle category that did not exist before Marchi Mobile created it. If you have ever dreamed of driving across continents without giving up a single comfort, without ever needing a hotel, without compromising on anything, this is that dream, fully realized, wrapped in Italian marble and powered by a 1,500 horsepower diesel heart. That is the 2026 Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo Superior. Let me know in the comments whether you think this level of luxury on wheels is worth every penny, and do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to MH Car Review for more incredible vehicle content every week. See you in the next one.